Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a pattern for an Irish lace glove. First, I will show you how to make a useful measuring tool. I take a measuring tape and a safety pin. I insert the safety pin through the hole in the metal end of the measuring tape. Then I close it. I thread the other end of the tape through the safety pin. Now I can measure the circumference of my hand by myself. I find the widest part of my hand. Right here. And I measure it. Mine measures 19 centimeters. I write it down. Next, I measure the circumference near the glove cuff and at the upper edge of the glove. Do not make this measurement too small, because the widest part of your hand must be able to pass through it. My measurement is 16 centimeters, but I will use a measurement of 17.7 centimeters. I use the same measurement for the upper edge of the glove. Now I am going to draw a rectangle. The length is 19 centimeters. For now, I am marking the boundaries. Now I determine the height of the glove. For this, I need 3 measurements: the distance to the thumb, the height of the thumb opening, and the distance from the opening to the cuff. In my case, the first measurement is 5.5 centimeters. The second is 5 centimeters. And the third is 7 centimeters. Now I draw the upper edge of the glove. From the top, I measure 5.5 centimeters downward. This marks the area above the thumb. Next, I mark 5 centimeters for the thumb opening. Then 7 centimeters down to the cuff. I draw the lower edge of the glove, which is 19 centimeters long. The cuff will be here. You can choose any cuff width you like. Mine is 3.5 centimeters. I mark the corresponding measurements on the left side. But that is not all. The upper edge measurement is smaller than the middle measurement. I find the center of the rectangle by dividing 19 centimeters in half. That gives me 9.5 centimeters. Here I draw the boundary lines for the thumb opening. To make the pattern narrower, I need to add darts. I subtract 17.7 centimeters from 19 centimeters. The difference is 1.3 centimeters. This is how much the pattern needs to be narrowed. Since there will be 2 darts, I divide 1.3 centimeters in half. That is approximately 6 millimeters. The total width here will be 6 millimeters. I mark 3 millimeters on this side. And 3 millimeters on the other side. I do the same along the lower edge of the glove. Now I will outline the pattern with a black pencil so that it is easier to see. This is the opening for the thumb. The lace elements are not joined along this section. And here is my finished pattern. Remember, if this part of your hand is quite wide, leave enough room near the cuff so that your hand can pass through. Irish lace has very little stretch. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe. I wish you lots of creative success.